Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, sat on the drive, just got back from Alan's and just going back down to Alan's, in fact. You can probably see behind me there's a couple of panels. So it's the bonnet that we bought from North Devon, somewhere down near Bude, I think it was, actually, about 18 months ago, something like that. There is a film that exists that showed me going to get it. It was from a stag owner who had sold his car and just had the bonnet kicking around. I think the plan was to put this bonnet on his car at some point, but he never actually got round to it. Then he sold the car, then he was left with a spare bonnet. So it was an opportunity for us to go and grab it, and I bought it on eBay, and we did the deal, and it's been at home in our garage for quite some time. Underneath that, you may or may not be able to see, there's the metal tonneau cover. It's the metal kind of wraparound U-shaped metal panel that goes over the top of the hood when it's down in its well, normally covered with kind of leatherette and chrome, but the underside is obviously paint. So I need to get these panels down to Alan now, because obviously he's putting the whole body together, and it would be good to get these done. Obviously the bonnet he's doing, but he said earlier on today, just bring the bonnet panel back down so he can just fit it up and make sure it all fits in the right places before then he'll treat it. We don't know what lurks beneath on this panel compared to the one that came off UNY 49M originally, but you've seen that one, and it looks a little bit worse for wear, including the boot lid. I haven't got a boot lid for it really. Alan says he can work on the boot lid, maybe, but if there's a spare one out there, I will be very interested. So I'm just surfing eBay and various other places to see if I can get that. But today, going to whiz down, going to go and see him again, and drop these off as all part of the build. I'll just show you in the boot actually what I've got, and then you'll be better clued up before we then go down to Alan's. So let's go and have a look. So let's open up the car and get in and have a look. Here we have the bonnet. Many of you would have seen this a long time ago. Some surface rust obviously in places, but I think you can see overall pretty much up together. All the places that they normally go here is pretty good. Yeah, there's a little bit of seam rust where the that's the clip that holds the pad on that goes there, but it's just a bit of surface rust. Underneath, got to watch that, don't put that through the back windscreen. You can just see, I think you'll find Old English white this was, obviously, and looks pretty good. So we'll have a look at that and get that to Alan's. It'll be interesting to see if he'll fit it up to the car this afternoon. And let's just go and have a look at the other parts that we got, which is the tonneau cover. And this was from a guy up in Farnborough somewhere, or near Guildford, beg pardon. Which again, he'd had it in his garage for a long time, never really had need of using it. It is an up together panel, pretty much in primer, and not bad nick actually, so quite chuffed with that. Underneath is where we'll need to get the paint on, but you can see there that's quite clean and tidy. So both of those panels off to Alan, and we'll see if he can do his magic on these. Happy days. Alan the Welder, although technically he's finished welding now, so technically he's Alan the Painter now. Right. Okay, here we are. There we are. This is it going in. Huh. Feels quite heavy, doesn't it? Yeah, didn't seem too bad. Yeah.
How much did you give for that?
I can't remember. Yeah. Okay, so we'll try the bonnet then and see how it fits. I got it. So it's the first time it's had its bonnet on it, or a bonnet on it, for quite some time.
Well, I've got plenty of room.
How about that?
See, now that was the big difference.
What's that?
That last red one you had,
Yeah.
there
was no space at all, was there, at the back?
No. But I know that it's got these set up.
Yeah, 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 because it's got hinges on the bottom.
Clearance all round.
Yeah.
And I've got plenty of clearance.
No. But
I've got something else to say in a second about
Yeah.
the tonneau.
Okay.
And it's only because I can see a scratch in the corner.
Can you?
Yeah.
That is primer, is it? Yeah.
It's prime.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll be flat with that anyway. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's been in my garage for bloody ages. It's certainly seen better condition than all the stuff.
Did this not have one?
What?
This car, did it not have a tool?
It has got one, but again, it's like the boot, all full of rust and crap. We didn't even get it shot blasted. It's still in its original kind of state, you know?
I'm sure I probably won't see any actual colour on it.
Yeah.
No, it's been red oxided though.
Underneath.
Which is a bonus.
Yeah, okay. So that'll keep the rust out then. It does. And the white isn't too far off, is it? Kind of a grey primer. That's looking real cool. Alright guys, so I think you can just see what a great job Alan is doing, and I don't think we're that far away from getting the paint done. So I think the plan is to do it over Christmas is the order of the day. So I've got to go off and get some paint, as I said earlier on. So we'll be doing that the next day or two. So very, 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 very exciting. And he, as I, will look forward to seeing this thing in colour once again, and yeah, all to play for. So hopefully early part of 2021 we'll be looking forward to getting the car back home, and then the fun begins with trying to refit the car. So it is a bit of a journey. It will take a little while yet, I'm sure, but I know that you're with us every step of the way, so that's really great. And thanks for following the journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And there's a horse in the background just giving us the Arry the Stag nod. Don't forget to order your badge of honour or join us on Saturday Sockets on a Saturday. Just go on the website and you'll see what we mean. You can just sign up for free there and get all that through to your inbox as well. And yeah, going to be a busy week this week. Try and get some paint later on in the week. I'll share with you that journey as well. And back to Alan's, I'm sure, maybe next weekend to see what more progress. As he said, the rapid progress that's being made each time we go now that all that donkey bodywork has been done, all the welding is really great. So looking forward to seeing the car back to its resplendent original state in due course. Okay, well, have a great week, everyone. Thanks for following us. Wish you all the very best, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now, guys. All the best. Bye.